Hello friends, this is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant, and the name of this story is called Monster Mess by Marjorie Kyler. Yawn, yawn. I need to go to sleep. Tiptoe, tiptoe, around the house I creep. Crash, crash, I knock down two big chairs. Stomp, stomp, climb up the kitchen stairs. Shh, shh, along the floor I crawl. There's someone down the hall. Ouch! Ouch! I step on blocks and screws. Pew! Pew! What smelly socks and shoes! Peek! Peek! Look underneath the bed. Yikes! Yikes! A rubber python's head. Ick! Ick! Spilled juices on the sheet. Clean, clean, I'll make the room so neat. Stuff, stuff the clothes into the drawers. Whist, whist, I spray as someone snores. Sweep, sweep the musty, dusty floor. Bang, bang, slam shut the closet door. Sniff, sniff, the room smells fresh and sweet. Yawn, yawn, I think I'll rest my feet. Ring, ring, it's time to start the day. Giggle, giggle, a monster's come to stay. Let's play. The end.